Aloha! I'm Tom Koach, the co-author of the Hawaiian Style Musubi Cookbook. And today I'm going to share with you some simple ideas for breakfast musubis. Make 3 simple recipes for breakfast musubis. Standard spam and egg musubi, sausage and egg musubi, and a rice egg musubi with spam. All are really easy to make and very tasty, especially if you're on the go. It's a nice treat. So let's give it a try, shall we? I'm going to start with making the eggs for the spam and sausage musubi. First, grease the Co-Craft Any Kind bake pan with a little spray oil, spreading it around with your finger to make sure it's all covered. Then remove the excess oil from the top so that it does not burn. I'm going to use a ready-made egg mix product that you could get at your local grocery store. I find it to be a little bit better than regular eggs because the results come out more consistent when you bake it in an oven. I'm using 3 tablespoons of egg mixture. This produces a fairly thick egg slice. Now I'll cook the eggs in my toaster oven for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees. While it's cooking, I'll start the next task. I'm going to form a typical round sausage patty into a standard rectangular musubi shape by simply placing the sausage patty into my small kind single musubi mold and pressing. Next, cut your spam into slices by using a wire lunch meat slicer. You can open and squeeze the can to free the sides of the spam so it comes out easier. When slicing, proceed slowly so you do not break the wires. I already started the skillet and now I'm adding the spam to brown each side and to be able to add a little terry glaze. I use Mr. Yoshida's marinade and cooking sauce. I like it because it's easy and readily available in the store, but you can use your own terry or soy sauce recipe. The timer on the toaster oven is going off, so I'm going to go get the eggs so we can do the final assembly. Now I add rice to the double kind mold to fill it about 3/4 of the way full, so that way when I press it, it will be about a ½ inch tall, and then remove the mold. Then I add egg slices to each side, and then a slice of sausage, and the other side a slice of terry glazed spam. Now I'm going to cut the rice mold in half so that it can be wrapped with nori individually. Now that I get it assembled, I like to cut the nori sheet into thirds, which makes the length a little short of the musubi so that the edges of the spam and the sausage will be shown. It just looks nicer that way. I use the Co-Craft method to wrap the rice. Just place the nori on the top in the middle and curl the nori from the back while lifting the musubi. Then pull the other end tight and place the musubi with the seal on the bottom. The steam from the hot rice will seal the nori seam. Now let's make our third breakfast musubi, a rice, egg, and spam musubi. It's pretty simple. Just fry an egg like you normally would for an easy over egg. Simply add rice to the easy over egg. Cut up the egg into small pieces and mix, blending the yolk all over the rice. Place the half sheet of nori under a clean small kind musubi mold. Then add the rice egg mixture. Rice egg is not firm when it's hot, so I use a half sheet of nori to keep it from falling out during heating it. Press it firmly and then remove the rectangle rice egg block. Add a slice of Spam and then finish wrapping the nori from the bottom. Place the seam on the bottom to allow the heat to seal the nori seam. That was easy, and they look delicious. 3 breakfast variations of tasty musubi. Rice egg and Spam musubi, Spam and egg musubi, and breakfast sausage and egg musubi. Mahalo for watching our video. I hope you liked it. Click on our subscribe button and give us a like. Aloha!